Hi, Nicky here. This clip has to be one of the most impressive Excel tools available, and not many people know about it, but I'm really sorry it's only available in Excel 2013 or later. So here we have some data. Some good, some a bit messy. We're going to put Excel to the test. First of all, notice that our data is all together in one block. That's essential. Now in this column here, I'd like a full name. And I know I can do this through a series of functions, but just check this out. I'm going to type what I want, move down to the next cell, and then press CTRL E. That's E for excellent. What about this? Our telephone numbers have lost their leading zeros and spaces. Let's fix one, then CTRL E. That's E for exceptional. What about pulling out part of a longer text field? I'd like to extract the company name. Let's try it. CTRL E, E for extraordinary. This tool is amazingly clever. Next time you need to fix up some data, why not give it a try? Just CTRL E, E for easy.